Teddy.
15.
Teddy's gonna go on the big one up there, which hopefully you can see. Maybe not with the sun, but he's right there.
We are at a water park.
Yeah, we're at Blizzard Beach at Disney. Ted's right there by himself.
As you guys know,
Hi, Jenny.
we're at Disney for what?
The sun is super bright, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to tape him.
Right here is good. Go get it.
Hi, Ted.
Yeah, sit down right here.
Is it right there?
Yeah.
Teddy's going way up there.
But he's not going on the slope. It goes down under the rock.
Yeah.
It looks like it, but
I'm not sure where. Oh, there he is. He's in number 19. He's very nervous.
yeah, I know.
So, do you think that Teddy's gonna actually do it?
Maybe.
Maybe. You got scrapes on your knees?
Yeah.
From what?
I kept on going to the bottom of like the pool, and I just scraped them.
What pool?
The pool.
Are you talking about the wave pool? Alright, Ted is going to the final ascent. He's gonna get off in 3 more chairs.
We're also gonna go to one more ride after. Just so you guys know, it's not a part of like Disney. It's its own thing.
What, the Disney Blizzard Beach?
Yeah.
Well, it's a Disney water park.
Yeah, but it's not inside.
Alright, I see number 19 up there. I don't know if we're going to be able to get him coming down with the sun. The sun is super bright.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Let's go, Ted.
Please remain seated.
This is a bummer, Jenny. The sun is going to ruin the video.
Come over in the seat.
No, but there's no good thing. I can't see him.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Hold on, let's go over here.
Please
Come on
remain
into
seated.
the chair.
The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Can you go over here and tell me when you think that you're going to see him over there? Jenny, go over there in the sun. Over by the chair. And see if you can see him. Can you see anything? It's too sunny. You can't see anything? I don't see him walking up the stairs, do you? You think he's checking it out? I didn't think he'd check it out. Did he go down the other one? That could be him. He might have gone down the other one. He did! I knew it!